Hi, I'm Aaron with Allegro Industries, and these are our 3001 alcohol-free personal safety equipment cleaning pads. These easy-to-use pads are perfect for cleaning rubber respirators and other personal safety equipment where the manufacturer recommends using an alcohol-free cleaning pad. Each pad is 5 inches by 8 inches and comes fully saturated with benzalkonium chloride. They come individually packaged in a foil pouch for long-lasting shelf life. Our boxes contain 100 pads and are designed with a pull-out tab on the front for easy access and a hanging tab on the back of the box. We also offer other packaging options such as the big ones, a larger 8-inch by 11-inch pad, and our resealable pocket packs and pop-up packs that are perfect for your on-the-go needs. Safety products that you can depend on. That's Allegro Industries.